Hey everyone, the auction is just days away, so I want to make sure that you have all the tools for getting set up to bid in our upcoming auction. So I'm going to walk you through all those steps. The first thing you need to do is stop over to our auction website, which is charityauction.bid/scbproud. Once you're there, you'll see our website here with the countdown and lots of great information, and you'll go up to the top and click on tickets. Once you're on the ticket page, you have the option of purchasing cash raffle tickets, 50/50 raffle tickets. I'm just showing you how to purchase the virtual ticket, so I'm going to show you those steps now. I'm going to add one ticket to my cart. And now I'm going to proceed to checkout. Here we are on the checkout page, and I'm just going to continue to contact details. Here I'll enter all my information. Now that I've entered all my information, I'm going to continue to account. If you have participated in our auction in the past, it is going to ask you to log in. If this is your first time or you don't remember your login, you can skip this step. I'm going to continue now to payment. And on this screen is now where I'm going to enter my card number. If you have purchased and participated in our auction in the past, you will have the option of using the card that we already have on file from last year's auction. I'm going to enter my card info now. Once you have entered your card information, you will come to the summary screen, which shows you what you are purchasing. You need to click the box that says I agree to the terms of use, and then you can complete your checkout. My transaction is complete. A receipt will be in your email box, as well as another email with an access code. Here we are in my email, and you can see I've just received two emails. One is the ticket, and the other is an email about my registration. The ticket email has my ticket number in here, which really is not important. What is important though is the access code. We need the access code if you want to engage in bidding on your mobile device. Here I am on my mobile device, in which I've downloaded the Auctria app. I'm going to click on my Auctria app. I've opened up the app, and so now I'm going to click sign in. It is now asking for an access code or email. I am going to use the access code that I was just given in my confirmation email. Once I've entered the access code, it will load the auction website on my app. If you click the three little lines on the upper right hand corner, you'll get the drop down menu where you can view our catalog of prizes. If you click on any one of the individual prizes, it will load additional information and photos for you to learn more about that prize. Once the auction becomes live for bidding, you will be able to click on the individual prizes for bidding in the moment. If you desire to look up a particular category or just view the items that you are currently bidding on, you can go back to the prize catalog homepage and use this drop down menu to select a category. You can choose from one of our categories of prizes, or you can choose to view just items that you are bidding on, winning, or everything. Well, that's the nuts and bolts of what you need to get registered for our upcoming auction. So we look forward to you joining us, and we hope you get to take home some really great prizes.